What's up, you guys? Welcome back to my channel. It is me, your girl Jessica, and today I have this eye makeup tutorial for you. I call it my grungy glam look, and I'm going to be doing this look today using the Impulsive palette from MELT Cosmetics. I will put the price somewhere right here. I'm not sure off the top of my head, but this is what the baby looks like. It's like 6 palettes in one. You can't beat it. So when I seen this at Sephora, I was like, the makeup gods like started singing. They were like, oh, and I was like, gotta have it. So anyways, if you guys would like to see how I created this look, then keep watching, and I'm going to start the tutorial with some swatches, and yeah, let's get into it. And this is what the inside of the palette looks like. So there's like 3 different sections, or 6 different sections of 3 palettes. Super gorgeous. I'm going to swatch some of them for you guys. Poppin' Bottles, which is this baby right here. Oh, look how pretty. Let's do this one right here. This red one right here, which is Go Getter, is one of my faves. Look how beautiful. And then we have, let's see, we'll do a couple of the mattes. Look how beautiful that shade is, you guys. Oh my goodness, love it. Then let's do this pukey green called Game Changer. Oh, that's what that green looks like. And then we'll swatch, how about another shimmer? This is Tipsy. So we're going to go ahead and, I'm going to go ahead and wash this off. And then we'll get started, with my look today. And the look I'm going for is what I've been doing since I got this palette, a grungy glam look. So let me go wash this off and I'll be right back. Okay, so now that you guys are zoomed into my eyeballs, what I'm going to do is I'm going to take the shade, let's see, we're going to go with Dream Big, which is this baby right here. And I'm just going to take a packing brush, tap it a little. I don't have anything under my eyes. And I'm just going to pack it on the lid, just a little above the crease, not too high up. So next what I'm going to do is the other side of the brush, which I forgot to tell you, I'm using a Smashbox double-ended brush. One side is called one says matte and this one says shimmer. So I used the shimmer side, which is really a nice packing brush to pack it on. And then for the blending side of the brush, I'm going to take, let's see, I think I'm going to go in with Rule Breaker, which is this really pretty shade right here. And I'm literally just going to take that on the side top of the brush. I'll show you what I mean. Just the tip like that. So, then very lightly, right over the crease. And just going to be blending these 2 shades at the crease together. And this is my first MELT Cosmetics palette. And you guys, let me tell you, I love it. I absolutely love it. The shadows blend so well together. They're so pigmented. Hardly any fallout. Well, I am tapping, but even if I didn't tap, it's not tons of fallout. Using the Morphe M506, and I'm going to take the shade 2012, which is this baby right here, which you can see I dug my nail into by accident. So I'm going to take that on the very tippy toppy top of the tip of the brush, and ever so lightly blend this in with the shade Rule Breaker, the shade we just put down. Oh, why my camera's not focusing? I hope it wasn't like that the whole time. Basically right on top. I'm just gonna repack Dream Big, the lid shade. So the next thing what we're gonna do is that same top brush, the Morphe M506 that we used for the top shade. I'm gonna go in with the shade Bold, which is this baby right here. I'm just going to drag it right to the lid shade, and into the inner corner. And try not to hit my contact. Pretty much done with the eyes now. The only thing I'm going to do is add some mascara and lashes, and then I'll come back and show you guys the finished look. So yeah, I'm just going to add some wispies and mascara, and finish my lips, and I will come back and show you guys the completed look. So I just completed the look. I'm going to show you or tell you what products I used to complete it. For blush, I used the Dior Blush 746 in Beige Nude. She looks like this. And then for lip liner, I used MAC Pencil in Chestnut with the Honey lipstick from ABH. I'm getting ready to go. Jacob has a doctor's appointment. But yeah, that completes this video. Thank you guys so much. Thank you guys so much for watching this tutorial. If you did enjoy the video, please give me a thumbs up. Subscribe to my channel if you guys are not. And I will see all of you guys in my next video.